It didn't take long for me to fall in love with you. From the day we met, spending hours talking about life and learning about each other, to the day you left for Kansas City, I think part of me already knew.
Gigi, when I sat down to write my vows, I started looking through all the pictures that we had taken over the years. All the big moments were there. While all of those are amazing memories, the big moments are scarce. A life together cannot be built just on the big moments. It has to be built on the smaller, quieter moments that aren't captured in any photograph.
You are looking good. I reverse vow to you is to not take life too seriously.
Oh God. Okay. That.
It was her idea.
Yeah.
I sent her the video and she was like, we should do that. I'll text the photographers. I was like, fuck, it's real.
We're so good at this. Yeah. That's now our family tradition. Where's the first? Thank you. Girl, it's snacks! Olha que cintura! Olha a cintura do
Hi. Oh my God. You look stunning.
I love the suit. And this is so cute too.
Yeah.
Oh,
Hi.
hi.
This is so much better than Blake. How are you?
I'm good, how are you? Can I give you a big hug?
Yeah. You are the most beautiful bride I've ever seen.
Well, I hope so. We went from seeing each other almost every day to long-distance phone calls, to me waiting by the phone for your reply, to finally the long drive I took to see you. I had already fallen in love with you.
I don't know what the future will hold. I don't know what challenges that we'll face. But growing up, I was always taught that above all else, what mattered most was that I gave it my all. So here are my promises to you.
And honestly, it has never felt scary to love you. And I think that's because being with you has always made me feel more like myself.
I promise to give you my all. I promise to always try to make you smile.
I want to always make you feel like you can be fully yourself with me as well. Because I admire so much of who you are and so much of who you want to be.
I promise to dance with you. I promise to be there for the big moments and the small ones.
You care deeply, you work hard, and you show up for the people you love. And I promise I'll spend the rest of my life showing up for you.
I promise to put us first. I promise to hear you, to validate you, and to communicate with you every step of the way.
I promise that no matter how much life changes, I hope we never lose the things that makes us so us.
I promise to always be your best friend, and I promise to love you to the grave.
Because it didn't take long at all for me to know that my life would always be better with you in it. Because from the very beginning, loving you never felt complicated. It just felt right. Now and forever.